Ever wondered why, despite years of schooling, most people still struggle with money? Are you guilty of spending every penny you earn, or perhaps neglecting the power of investments? And how much longer can you afford to wait before taking control of your financial destiny? The wealthiest individuals don't rely on traditional education alone. They employ secret strategies that aren't taught in classrooms. In this video, I'll guide you through practical steps to break free from these traps. By the end, you'll not only understand the secrets to wealth accumulation, but also gain actionable insights to apply immediately. If you're serious about building wealth and breaking free from money problems, hit that subscribe button. We've got powerful content lined up to fuel your journey. Let's dive in. Number 1. Money is momentum. Not just paper, but power. Wealthy people don't see money as currency. They see it as energy in motion, a tool to build momentum, not something to be hoarded or feared. The poor see $1,000 and think, how do I save this? The rich see $1,000 and think, how do I multiply this? That's the difference in mindset that school never teaches. Think of money like electricity. If you just let it sit, it's useless. But if you plug it into the right machine, a business, a stock portfolio, a high-yield asset, it powers up. It creates compound results. But most people make one painful mistake. They treat money as something finite and fragile. They fear spending it, investing it, or risking it. This fear kills their momentum. Money is not meant to sit. It's meant to circulate, to compound, and to elevate. Every dollar you own is either a silent prisoner or a soldier building your empire. Number 2. The power of compound interest. Here's a question no one asks in school. If you could double a penny every day for 30 days, would it be worth more than $1 million? The answer is shocking. It grows to over $5.3 million. That's the jaw-dropping power of compound interest, the ultimate silent wealth builder the rich swear by, but most people completely ignore. Let's talk numbers. Suppose you invest $300 per month into an S&P 500 index fund with an average annual return of 10% starting at age 25. By the time you're 60, you'll have over $1.7 million. But delay just 10 years and start at 35. You'll end up with only 684000, same investment, same amount, but lost over $1 million just by waiting. That's how time either becomes your best ally or your worst enemy in wealth building. Number 3. Leveraging tax-advantaged accounts. It's not about how much you earn. It's about how much you get to keep. Tax-advantaged accounts aren't boring retirement tools. They're legal money vaults for long-term wealth. And the earlier you start, the more powerful they become. Let that sink in. If you made $75,000 this year and didn't use any tax-advantaged accounts, you likely paid $15,000 or more in taxes. But someone who used tax-advantage accounts could have legally kept an extra $5,000 to $8,000 every single year. If you're not leveraging tax-advantaged accounts, you're not just leaving money on the table. You're handing it to the government year after year. These are the same tools used by investors, CEOs, and high-net-worth individuals to accelerate wealth silently. Number 4. Using debt as a lever, not a trap. Most people fear debt. The rich? They weaponize it. They use 0% APR credit cards, business loans, and real estate leverage to generate cash flow, build assets, and scale faster. It's not about avoiding debt. It's about controlling it like a scalpel, not a grenade. Grant Cardone, now worth over $600 million, famously used other people's money to acquire real estate. He started by borrowing to buy a $1.9 million property, and that asset generated enough cash flow and appreciation to fund his next 10 deals. He used debt not for lifestyle, but for leverage. Never use debt to fund consumption. If it doesn't make you money or save you time, don't swipe. Track your debt-to-income ratio. Keep it under 35% for safety and future credit access. Debt isn't evil, it's a magnifier. It multiplies your decisions. If you're dumb with money, it ruins you. But if you're smart with it, it fast-tracks your wealth. Don't avoid debt, outsmart it. Because when you know how to use other people's money, the game isn't just fair anymore, it's yours to win. Number 5. The automatic millionaire move. Wealth isn't built through hustle alone. It's built through systems that run without you. While most people wake up and hope to save or invest whatever's left after expenses, the wealthy have already won the game before they even open their eyes. They automate everything: investments, savings, debt payments, and even giving, so their money machine runs 24/7 without needing permission, motivation, or memory. Maria, earning even more than Daniel, tried to remember to invest each month. Some months she forgot, some she overspent. After 8 years, her investment account had just $7,400. Same time, different systems, radically different results. Automate your credit card payments to avoid fees and build a 750+ credit score. Automate bill payments to avoid missed dues and protect your credit health, critical for real estate investing and high-limit credit access. Every time your automated system runs, your future net worth just ticked up, without you even being involved. And that's the exact kind of silent victory the school system never prepared you for. Number 6. Buying time before toys. Ask yourself this: would you rather have a $70,000 car or 20 extra hours a month of free time? The poor buy liabilities that look cool. The rich buy time leverage, virtual assistants, grocery delivery, bookkeeping, automation tools that help them earn more, stress less, and scale faster. Would you rather drive a $100,000 car or own the time to drive it whenever you want? That's the quiet money move most schools never teach: buying time before buying toys. They invest in tools, systems, and people that give them back hours. Why? Because they know time, not stuff, compounds wealth. Set a time ROI rule. Only buy things that return at least 2x time value. Use your next $500 not on gadgets, but on automations like QuickBooks, Zapier, or assistants. Number 7. Turning expenses into assets. The poor see spending as consumption. The rich, they treat it like investment. Instead of buying a $30,000 car that depreciates 20% the moment it leaves the lot, some smart entrepreneurs rent it out on Turo when they don't use it, turning a liability into a cash-generating asset. This is the mindset shift school never teaches. Instead of paying rent, wealthy people house hack. They live in one unit and rent out the others. That $2,000 mortgage, covered by tenants. This transforms a burden into a cash flow positive asset. Stop letting money walk out of your pocket without a plan to make it walk back in. Every big expense should answer this. How can I get a return from this? Most people spend emotionally. They buy for pleasure, not purpose. A $1,200 iPhone on credit? No problem. But ask them to spend $200 on a stock investing course or build a cash-flowing side hustle, and suddenly it's too expensive. This mindset keeps them stuck in a consumption cycle. Over time, these purchases bleed away wealth and opportunity. Number 8. Buying skills, not just stuff. Wealthy individuals see skill acquisition as compound interest for life. A $500 course on digital ads or copywriting might sound expensive at first, but if it helps you land a client who pays you $2,000 per month, it's a no-brainer. Compare that to the average American who spends $313 per month on impulse purchases. Over a year, that's nearly $3,756 vanishing without any ROI. Jason, a former FedEx driver, spent $1,200 on a 6-week online high-income skill course in copywriting. Within 4 months, he got freelance clients paying $3,000 per month. He didn't win the lottery. He rewired his income by buying a skill, not stuff. Stuff depreciates. Skills appreciate. The best investment isn't in luxury. It's in leveraging your brain. So now you know the truth. The wealthiest people in the world aren't just working harder. They're playing a totally different game. They're using debt as leverage, time as currency, systems to automate savings, and psychology to stay ahead. I'm passionate about transforming lives through knowledge. If this video added value to your day, share it with others and subscribe for more insights. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.